Welcome back, friends. Let's do a quick recap. For all of you who directly jump into this, let's figure out what we have done so far. We've got our SpacePeng application and we can download this from the official F-Droid store, but I also provide you a link over here that we all are using the same version. We have installed this application and we have made ourselves familiar with this. So if you haven't done this, please go install this application and have some fun while playing this. It's of course also necessary that we are making ourselves familiar with this game because we want to hack it afterwards. And having fun is definitely not forbidden in this course. Alright? Okay. So, after playing this game for a while, we did start decompiling it. So we figured out how to unzip an application, where are the difference between unzipping and the APK tool, and things like this. Then we made ourselves familiar with different reverse engineering techniques. We looked at Dex2Char, JADX and also AndroGuard. And we also get a little challenge about identifying key components in this application. So now we know where are those player lives, where's our high score, where's this double shot and where's this player shield, for example. We also got a challenge on modifying this application, but only on the resource part. So we changed the resource, this layout in this application, and built this application back again. Then we did take a look at signing an application, and this one might be important for you because the signing process has been changed on the Android 11 platform. Therefore, you might want to take a look at the signing approach. After signing this application, we did install our modified version, and there we could prove how those resources have been changed. So I added some fireballs, at least we call this fireballs. I'm not sure what this really was about, but yeah. Some fireballs and also the player icon a little bit. You also did some amazing job on this, and yeah, congratulations once again to your first Android app hack over there. Alright, and this is now the point we are in right now. So changing the resources of this application was pretty easy because we can simply swap those pictures. But now we want to change the Java source code, and this is where Smali kicks in right now. In this chapter we learn how to modify this application by modifying or patching the Smali code. We also learned that we cannot simply adjust our Java source code and compile a new classes.dex file out of this. I guess we got about 6,000 errors, which has to be fixed first, and this is absolutely ridiculous if you try this. So therefore we are going to patch this on the Smali level. This is way more easier than you might think. What we do afterwards is we are going to change the player shield, for example. The player starts with this shield and the player is from this point on immortal. So the player cannot get hit or being destroyed by having this shield. We also do a lot of other amazing stuff. We patch routing detections, certificate pinning. We also learn on add new code into this application and things like this. So this is our base we are working on right now. We are now all on the same level. If you haven't downloaded this application, please do this. I have attached this in the section. And in the next video, we will make our first experience with Smali. I'm super excited about this and I'm looking forward to see you there.